Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I am preparing the library for the foyer entrance of the dollhouse, the gigantic dollhouse that I'm working on. So this is a page, it's a cover of a magazine, and it's amazing how beautiful just the cover can be. Just what I needed for my library. I have a shelf here. This is the interior of a cigar box. The cigars would go right in there like that, but I'm going to position it like this at the foyer entrance that I'm working on. So I need the books to fit right in there, so I already cut some strips from the cover that you just saw there, and they fit perfectly. But I'll have to get something thick to paste in the back of the strip to make it look like real books, not just this. So you see, each shelf is going to have books. Some shelves are going to be having some type of little decorative piece. So this is the idea. So let's put the shelf down. I have my strip. I have 2 more strips here that I've already cut out, and this one. So I'm going to continue doing the same thing with this one. And there's one that has a little flap, which is this one. So I'm cutting it by that. So I'm going to cut my next strip. I want it this size, this exact size. So I'm going to place this here. Oh, I'm going to place it in the back like this. Like that. And I'm going to draw a line so that I can have the same exact size of the books. You see that line? So now I am going to cut. I almost didn't want to cut the cover because it looks so nice, but so there's my other strip to go into the shelf. You see what I'm saying? And they fit nicely in there, all my strips. So I have a few strips here, as you can see, and I'm going to continue cutting. Now this here, I probably will leave it like that. I won't cut that because I can use that. But there is more to cut. So let me try another strip. I'm gonna do it from the top here. Like that. I know that you can't see what I'm doing here because of the way the camera is positioned, but I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so by this strip, I made that line, and I will cut again. So there goes my other strip. Now this one has this little sticker there that I'm not going to use, but I'll use the rest of them. And these are a little bit thicker than these. See the difference? So what I might do is I might take a marker and just make a line here, so it could be like 2 books instead of 1, because this one's too thick. These are too thick, but these are perfect. So now I have a whole bunch of strips for my shelves, and I'm going to continue doing that so that I can dress up the shelf and you can see it in the foyer entrance of the gigantic dollhouse that I am working on. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.